Why do we want to keep water and moisture away from the house? There's two main reasons. One is aesthetic and one is structural. So aesthetically, if you do get water trapped behind the wall, you could see some efflorescence on the wall. You could also see some major blistering. Worst case scenario is if you're seeing water wicking up the wall, if it's darker from the bottom and going up, and it's sitting there, you could start having some structural damage, because remember, behind this stucco is going to be wood, and water and moisture sitting for a long time leads to mold. So it's definitely not something that you want to ignore if you are seeing some evidence of damage on your stucco. So that's that. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave us some comments or give us a call. Our office line is 858-224-7373. And as always, feel free to reach out to us for a free estimate by sending us an email to sales@myclassicteam.com.